Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your digital frame. First, carefully unbox your new digital frame and identify all the components, including the power adapter and any remote control. Next, plug the power adapter into the frame and then into a standard wall outlet. Finally, locate the power button, usually on the back or side, and press it to turn on your frame. You should see the initial setup screen appear. Now that your frame is powered on, it is time to add your cherished photos. Most frames support an SD card or a USB flash drive. Insert your chosen storage device into the appropriate slot. Then, use the Frames menu to navigate to the Photo Import or Media Management section. Select the pictures you wish to display and transfer them to the frame's internal storage for continuous viewing. With your photos loaded, let's personalize your frame settings. You can adjust the slideshow interval, often ranging from 5 seconds to 1 hour, to control how long each picture is displayed. Explore various transition effects, like fades or wipes, to enhance the viewing experience. Also, remember to set the display brightness and configure a sleep timer to conserve energy during off hours, ensuring optimal performance. Finally, it is time to find the perfect spot for your digital frame. Place it on a flat, stable surface, such as a shelf, desk, or mantelpiece, where it can be easily seen. Ensure the frame is positioned to be visible from your desired viewing area, whether it is your living room or office. Now, sit back and enjoy a beautiful, continuous display of your cherished photographs and memories.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.